loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Grace Adelegan, a mom of 3 based in the United States. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for coming again. And if you're new here, you're welcome. Yeah, guys, I want to do something today. Ooh. If you know that thing in the comment section, put it right now. Put the seconds. You know the thing we are about to do now. Yeah, I want to see if you are going to get what we are about to do. So guys, yeah, from the last video I told you guys that I am washing the baby's clothes with hand. Yeah. So to make my life easy, I did something. If you know that thing, put it in the comment section. Let me see if you will guess it before we dive into the video. So guys, ta-da! We are going to unbox again. If you know that thing we are unboxing, let me know before we go. I've already given you the expo. So guys, this is my second package from Temu. The first one I got was a free product, a juicer, which I'm going to put in the end screen for you guys to check it out. And I'm still going to do a review back on that juicer with you guys to see if it is worth it or not. It's a free product. So this is the one I got with my money. Ta-da! So I have some few things in there we're going to see together. Yeah, so don't go. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, and also share with other people to be able to know this beautiful channel. Yeah, so let's open. I love unboxing. Let me know if you love unboxing in the comment section. I love unboxing. So I have few things here. One of it is what we are about to review. I'm going to review with you guys, so make sure you don't click out to see what that thing is. So this is the first one. The first one we have, and this is the second one. I'll show you to you guys, so make sure you watch the videos to the end. So this is the main thing we are unboxing today. If you hear any noise, my son is here with me, my baby. Yeah, so ta-da! So I've been seeing this for a while. This is a washing machine, a mini washing machine, and from Temu, like I said, clothes fitting, clothes outing cleaning. So that's what is written there. Small and efficient folding washing machine. So it's foldable. So we are going to see it together, and I'm going to wash the clothes together with you guys to see if it's worth it or not. So I have some baby's clothes down that I want to just wash. So it came like this. I hope you can see. Let me put it a little bit. So this is the washing machine. It came like this, and it has the manual. Let's see the manual together before we move on. Oh my god, it's smelly. I don't like the smell. So that's it, guys. I hope you can see. Folding the machine, the washing machine. Use installation instruction. So this is how it's being installed. So I'm going to install it with you guys. Hopefully the video is not too long. So here is the washing machine. So I will go to the vacuum together with you guys, and we're going to assemble it together. I will be right back. So here we are going to do that together, and it comes with a plug. Yeah, so, and I think this is the cover. Yeah, this is the cover. It's this way, as you can see. So we're going to follow the instructions together now. It says, yeah, has an outlet for you to let out the water. So I think you do it this way, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just trying to do it. So here is the size. It's portable, yeah. So now, so I want to rinse the before we use it. So it's draining now, as you can see. It's draining. So right now I'm going to fill the water and I'll be right back for us to start using it. So it says the water should not be too much and it should be in moderation. If you are using hot water, use 60 degrees of hot water. So I've done that now, and I'm going to put the clothes inside. You guys will see. Here are the baby's clothes I'm going to put inside the washing machine now. Then I'll put the soap, the baby soap, just a little bit. There's a opening here. Then you close it. Be closed. It's closed now. It's already closed. Here we have the plug. So this is where you're going to plug it. Then I'm going to plug it now. So here we have I don't know if we can see 10 minutes standard washing, 15 soft washing, 15 minutes soft washing, 2 minutes semi dehydration. So let's use 15 minutes, 10 minutes. Let's use 10 minutes now. So I press. We are going to press this long press for 2 seconds for it to start. So it has started now. That's it. Let's see. So it's washing. You can hear the sound. So we'll see the outcome when it's almost done. So let's just leave and come back to this. Cannot even enter the vine. Like, let's see, maybe it's a stretch. So this is for my daughter. I got this for myself. Winter is here. So this is it. Let's put it on. Let's put it on. Let's put it on. For days that my hair are not really good, so I think I love it. It's not bad. It's really good. You guys can see. You can see. And for weekly savings, let me see if I can rock it on Sunday or so. It's really beautiful. I've been seeing it on people's head. This lady, this woman, fantastic figure, and some other content creator and some people. So I decided to get one of these. I think I love it. So that's it. Then I got this for sports, for exercise. You guys can see.
What did you buy for me?
My husband is here. He said, "What did I buy for?" Don't worry, I'll buy something for you. So I thought it's going to be Like, so it's together, as you guys can see. I will put it on now. I will be right back. And so guys, after some minutes, I just discovered that it's off now. So let's open and see if it's worth it or not. So washing machine is perfect. It's a good investment for people that have kids, and if you're a student, you want to wash your underwear, or anybody that just wants to use it for light clothing, this is a perfect one for you. So you have to press the switch button for some seconds to get it started, then also use the switch button to navigate to any of the button you want to use, maybe the 15 minutes or 10 minutes standard washing, whichever one. So use the switch button to navigate. And I also had it that if you have a cloth that has a stain, just put the soap on that affected area before you drop it into the washing machine, and it will do the job. It's perfect. It's really a good investment. Yeah, so it's really good. So I would say you can go for it if you really want it. Yeah, it's really good. Please like the video for me. We really appreciate that. You can as well share with your friends and family on WhatsApp. You can there's a share button, just click on the share and share it to people that need to see the video, people that really need to see, probably need to get this also to help them in their homes. So I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.